Feed the bird.
I'm gonna take the gravy off. You like fries?
He's a fry eater. He loves his French fries. Hey, Albert. Oh, you get a little jealous buddy there. Albert, you want more fries? Hey, Albert. There you go, buddy.
He's getting full.
You don't want the fries anymore? Just eat the fries, man. They're good. It's good fries, man.
French fries.
It's good French fries.
A little wisdom from the roaming gnome.
He's actually
got
eating like the bacon. I don't know.
Can we get a bird any closer to us? Holy shit. And then we got another one? This guy is going to try to steal his French fry. Look, he's protecting his fry.
Wise
Oh, these are on top.
Albert, you're on the camera. Smile at the camera.
Travelocity.ca.